Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. So I hope this isn't too shaky because I'm going to be holding the phone in my hand, but I wanted to ask you about a new thought that I had. A long time ago when I was taking care of my mom and my dad, I could never leave the house and leave them home without someone sitting with them, which in the beginning we just really didn't do that much. Towards the end, my brother and my sister would come once a month. But I wanted some crafty things. It was after Christmas. And so my husband and my daughter went to Grand Rapids and they did some shopping and we FaceTimed and they showed me things that I wanted to look at. And then I picked what I wanted and they brought it home for me. So when I was unloading everything from the farmer's market that I did this summer and I was selling craft supplies, I decided I was going to kind of pack things up. And I thought, what if I did a little store and did it by FaceTime? Now, I have an iPhone, so I know you can FaceTime iPhone to iPhone, but I don't think that you can FaceTime if it's like an Android phone to an iPhone. But my daughter said that you can FaceTime on Facebook also. So I wanted to just kind of get your thoughts on this and see if it's something that someone might want to do. So what we would do is we would schedule a time, we would FaceTime, and then I would go through what I have. You would pick the things that you wanted, and it would be the price, and then you would pay the shipping also. So I'll just kind of show you a little bit of the types of things that I have and kind of how we would do it, but in a much faster form for this video. But we would go through slowly. You could look at anything you wanted to look at and get a better look at it, name brand, that type of thing. But so everything has been priced, and most of it was already priced anyways from the farmer's market, but I've got a few new things since then, so I put them in here. But what we would do is after we got the FaceTime going is we would come in and I would show you. You could let me know exactly what you were looking for. Like in this section here, these are all stamps. Like these are rubber stamps, but the flat type that you put on a block. And then there's clear stamps, and there are sets. And then there's like some little peg stamps and that type of thing. So I could give you a closer look if you said, well, I wanted to know like what's there. Then I could give you a closer look. This shows you like what is in this set. And, you know, you could look at what it is. And these are $3. And you could see the peg stamps and how they look. And then you would say, yes, I would like one of those or one of those. And so like these are... this is like a sewing stamp, and I haven't figured out exactly how to get and this is like a full stamp, like a background type stamp, but I'll have to work better on the shadows. And if you didn't want to look at anything like that, you know, you say, oh, well, I'm looking for something like paints or that type of thing, you know, or mediums. I could show you the different types of things that I have in those categories. Or if you just were interested in recycle store items, I have the recycle store items hanging up here. And I can let you know how many are in each of the packages. The recycle store items are $1 per baggie. But I have those set up over there. And we could get much closer looks to see, like these are rubbers. I use these to pull needles. That's what I use them for the most. They work great for that. If you can't pull a needle through something because it's just too thick, those rubbers grab a hold of that needle and pull it right through so nicely. But you know, this is what I was kind of thinking. You know, there's fun foam and there's felt, and those are stickers, I believe. Yep, those are like journaling stickers. There's some ribbon, and there are thread samples. These are iron-ons for like you iron them on to no, they're not iron-ons, I apologize. They're you put them on a piece of fabric and then you embroider over them. It's called magic paper, and when you get it wet, the paper background disappears. So there's like elastic and pom-poms. These are handmade wooden buttons that I made. And there's some velvet ribbon and some blue jean gathered ribbon and all different types of paints. And then, you know, just different types of paper mediums. These are not stickers, but they're different sayings and some journaling cards. And this is all paper, tissue paper, and different things like that. So, and in here, there's lots of different types of stencils in different sizes, different manufacturers, and that type of thing. And so I just wanted to know, please let me know, leave me this is a nice 12 by 12. Just let me know if you think that this would be a good idea, something you think that you may be interested in. And if so, I'll figure out the whole FaceTime on Facebook thing. But I just thought maybe it would work. And since I had it was all packaged up and everything and ready to go, I thought that I would see if I'd leave it out and see if it was something that y'all were interested in. And different than a kit. Because when I put a kit together, it's what I think I would like in a kit. I also have some dies back here. These are this is a foil press. And then this is it says hooray, it's a card die. And just different types of dies, little bubbles. And this one says, what does that say? Oh, it says be mine. So just different types of things. And again, like I said, if you said, oh, well, what do you have for stamps and dies? Well, then I would know where they are. Or what do you have for recycle? Or what types of paints and mediums do you have? What do you have in paper? Or just look through the whole thing and just pick and choose and say, I want one of those and one of those and one of those. And then we'll see what size packaging that it fits in. So let me know, please, if you think that it's something that you would be interested in, or if you think it's not a good idea. Either way, if you could let me know so I can just kind of decide, whether it's something that we'll do or not. And like I said, we'll just schedule an appointment and just do it at whatever time is convenient for you and try it out. So I'm not going to do a kit this week. I did have 2 kits last week, so I'm going to link those below in case you did not see them. Or you can also always just look up Market Monday, and it should come up with my videos for Market Monday. And if you ever want to know a video that a creator has done, if they've done one or not, just go to click on their little icon, their little picture, and then it will take you to their channel. And then above then it will say, on their channel, it'll say, search this channel. And you can put in anything that you're looking for. If you're looking for homemade stamps or whatever it is that you may be looking for, homemade jelly plate or whatever, you put that in that bar and click, and it will tell you what they have on their channel for that particular thing that you're looking for, or maybe they don't have anything. Like if you put in homemade stamps on mine, you'll see a lot of them because I do a lot of homemade stamps. And I try and make sure that I put that in the tags for whenever I do the tags. I'm not the best at those, but so anyways, please let me know what you think. And if you're interested, and we can schedule appointments and I can figure out the Facebook thing to do it that way, or if you have an iPhone, we can do it right on your iPhone. So thank you very much for stopping by. Again, I will put last week's links below. There's 2 kits done in, I believe I did 2 separate videos, I think. But anyways, I'll put it below. There was a stenciling kit with wooden embellishments, and then there was a little embellishment kit with some Tim Holtz paper dolls and some canceled stamps, foreign and domestic, and just different things that you could use to do embellishments with. So thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.